Hello everyone, my name is Shaylin Allison and I'm 23 years old. I was born in Mira Mesa, but I have lived in Murrieta, California for the majority of my life. I spent the last 5 years in Buffalo, New York, receiving my education from Canisius College. I graduated in May of 2021 with my bachelor's in health and wellness and received psychology and strength and conditioning minors. And then in May of 2022, I graduated with my master's in health and human performance and a cardiac rehabilitation concentration. This all seems normal and like any other college graduate, but my story is a little special because I got to experience it playing Division I softball. This specific ball is the ball from the Florida Regional, which was the last tournament that I got to play in, so it's a little bittersweet. I started playing softball when I was 5 years old. I grew up playing competitively, and then I got recruited my junior year of high school to play at Canisius College. That is part of the reason that softball is so near and dear to me. It gave me the opportunity to further my education. It let me set an example for my sister and brother that college is very important and that sports is a helping factor. It's also given me an opportunity to bond with my family. My father coaches and my sister plays, so we all bond in that aspect. And then it has helped me expand myself as a woman. It has given me an opportunity to figure out what I wanted to do with my career. As an 18-year-old high school girl, I didn't know what that was. So through college internships and community outreach experiences that I got to do as a softball player, as in Special Olympics and nursing shadowing hours, that helped me pick my dream career, which is nursing. And then my dream goal in life is to be able to travel the world, but a smaller goal off of that is to travel the country. I visited 18 states, I believe, and 13 of them have been through softball at one point in my life. So I would say that even though this small yellow ball seems very minute in the grand scheme of things, it has helped me shape who I want to be and has given me the opportunity to explore aspects of myself that I didn't even know were there. So this little yellow ball has helped me realize that I get to pursue my goal of being a travel nurse here shortly, which is very exciting.